We are a synthetic biology company, meaning that we improve microbes for a variety of applications in food and feed ingredients, pharmaceuticals, fuels and chemicals. Our motivation is to increase the efficiency of meat production, and the demand of this is rapidly rising due to human consumption of meat. And specifically, our goal is to produce amino acids that are critical ingredients, essential amino acids, for driving the production of poultry, pork, and seafood. And the most valuable of these is called L-methionine. That's the product we're focused on. So L-methionine is a $5 billion annual product. It's primarily fed to chickens, and it's all currently synthesized by chemical synthesis. Very strange for a biological product. So Primordial Genetics is setting out to make it biologically. And besides giving access to a natural, sustainable, actual biological product, we will have a great advantage in cost. So eventually, in our second generation process, we will be below half of the current chemical production cost. So we also have an extensive pipeline of other products that we're going after. We have a platform technology I'll speak about in a second that will address these. And for a group of 7 people based in San Diego, this is a very impressive pipeline that will drive our revenues going forward. So we're licensing revenues and royalties. And so how do we approach this? We work on genomes of microbes. And genomes of microbes can be thought of like works of literature. They're basically composed of letters. And the letters need to be edited to make improvements. And just like you use Microsoft Word to change a document, we use specialized genetic technologies. And so the much touted CRISPR-Cas9, which all of you guys have heard about, it's basically a text editor. It allows you to make a specific change, but it does not allow you to improve the work. It does not allow you to reshape the organism. That's what we do. We have a remarkable, very differentiated technology called function generator that essentially serves as the story editor, sort of the replacement for the master storyteller. We rewrite the stories of genomes and the stories of organisms. We give them novel properties and the ability to do things much more efficiently. And so we go about this through a very complicated genetic process that I'll quiz you on after the session is done. It essentially uses all building blocks, all genes in a microbe as building blocks to build novel proteins that can impart new functions. And through doing that, we vastly expand the genetic space that are available to biotechnologists to make improvements. We've tested this extensively in various organisms and various trait areas, and we have an extensive track record working with partners and internal projects. We are here looking for investment and looking for partnerships. So if you like what you heard, if you're interested in what we're doing, we'd love to talk to you. If you have microbial problems that need to be solved, we'd love to hear about them and